Good morning, my friend. This is me. My last full day in this Lancashire event, and I'm in the living room, and I already clean up the dining table, and I'm about to start cooking. So last night at midnight I finished. Today I woke up at 6. The table was needed to be clean. Oh man, I show you this. So last night I washed the dishes and I kept clean much that I can, and so this is my kitchen. This was a few remaining needed to be washed. These are few glasses, and I've got the cutlery here, and all the rest is practically done last night, as you can see. I have had a shower right now. I'm about to dress up as a chef and cooking the whole day again, and tomorrow will be just breakfast. And I hope you are very well, my friend, and stay strong. Ciao.